Welcome to Samsung's Experience Store. Come on in and let's check out Samsung's newest innovation, the Galaxy S20. Alright, sometimes when you try to snap a photo, you just can't get close enough. Like when you're at the zoo trying to catch a tiger yawning. Times like this, you need space zoom. You can zoom to 30 times to capture things clearly, even from far away. Not close enough? No worries. You can actually zoom up to 100 times. Inside the S20 Ultra is a special folded lens. Add the power of AI and you can bring in 100 meters like it's right in front of you. This is at 30 times zoom. See how clear and vivid it is? Now let's get even closer. And this is 100 times away. With this amazing space zoom, you can always bring the action closer to you. Thanks so much. Would you like to see some other S20 features? Check it out.